Hi, I am using beautiful page background, one simple table, another matrix table. How to make this table to this transparent table? First, select the table, go to the format pane, go to the style and choose none. Go to the background and turn off. Go to the border and use the radius. Go to the shadow and use the shadow. Now go to the grid. If you want to use the grid line, use it or turn it off. I am using grid line and I am using as a black. Must need to increase the row padding. I am using 4. Same way, select this one,